Hello and welcome to PhillipCapital Investor Conference, a two-day event which is happening from today and tomorrow. We have with us our head of equities, Mr. Kinshuk Bharti. Hi Kinshuk, can you just brief us on the conference?
Hi Zarine, thanks for that introduction. This conference is the Amritkaal Investor Conference. As we all are aware that India is and has entered into the Amritkaal, and typically it's the golden period for any country. Now our endeavor is to showcase such investment ideas to investors that can drive their investments into the next decade. Having said that, I should also point out towards the backdrop in which all this is happening with India. We have seen that there was a big crisis in terms of COVID a couple of years back, and that was followed up by Ukraine war, and those two events have opened a plethora of opportunities. They've also presented some challenges, but the way the policies have been framed, the way India has gone ahead and made some of these policy in terms of making most of these available opportunities in our favor is what we want to showcase to the investors. Some of these companies that are going to take benefits out of these changes are going to become global companies, or we have seen many such sectors or some of these sectors coming up in a big way, becoming global in that sense. So we are showcasing companies from EMS sector, which is the electronic manufacturing and services sector. We have seen that how India over the last 3 years have grown leaps and bounds in this sector, and we are of the firm view that companies belonging to these sectors, this sector, are going to grow multiple folds over the next 5 to 10 years. The other thing that has come up now is the semiconductor sector. I think it is still the initial days, but I'm sure that the way the policies are being drafted and some of the initial successes are already being seen, I think we'll be attracting a lot of capital there also. And as we all are aware, anyways, that given the demographic that we have in India, India remains a consumption story forever. The Indians are moving upward in terms of their earning potential, and that means that we want to consume more, consume better, and that opens up a lot of opportunities in building material, autos, and other sectors for us to consume, which opens up a lot of investment opportunities. So this is in gist of what we are trying to do with our conference today and tomorrow. This is just a series. This is going to be a series of our efforts under the Amritkaal banner. Yeah.
We had Mr. Amitabh Kant doing the opening address. Did he mention any of these in his?
Yes, we held a session, very interesting session with Mr. Amitabh Kant this morning, and as we are all aware that India is holding the presidency of G20 this year, and as I said, that in the backdrop of the geopolitical changes that are happening, especially after COVID and the Ukraine war, it becomes imperative for India to create a space which helps us in terms of our own positioning globally, our own leadership in terms of what we can offer to the world, and our own way of growing this economy. By that, what I mean is that India, in that sense, is a unique country, and we need to grow faster and in a short period of time. So we need to drive the global powers towards our own thought process. in an inclusive manner, of course. So what came across from Mr. Khan's address was same as to that we are going to push for higher percentage of growth. We want to bring out more and more people out of poverty faster, and we want to grow the per capita income faster for Indians, and hence become the leader in terms of growth and consumption and manufacturing globally.
So we are having about 56 corporates and 190 funds attending it. Hope we have more focus on the manufacturing, as you're saying. We have a lot of corporates from the manufacturing sector today. Uh, wish Let's wish us all the best and get going with it.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.